What's up everyone, it's your boy Mr. Wise Gaming, bringing you guys a brand new video. Yes, that one seems a little different. You're probably wondering, what the hell is the gameplay at? Well, listen, I have a schedule, and the schedule is going to be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. That will be mainly focused on my gaming channel. Then we're going to have Friday, Saturday, Sunday. That will be my editing schedule. And also, if you're trying to catch, stay tuned with your boy. I got another channel, and it's called Yan aka YS. I'll be doing a lot of vlog on this shit. Link is going to be down in the description down below, so if you guys are interested, do check that shit out. Definitely come along, because you know you're gonna see your boy in action with the homies and everything. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, that lighting though, that lighting looks so clean. Oh, kind of nice. Damn. But let me show you my thing. Damn, I'm black as fuck. But you see this right here? Yeah, that's the channel. See what I mean? We don't have much subscribe. I don't have much subscribe on this one, so that'd be dope if y'all could subscribe as well. I got 29 on this one. You know, that'd be nice. That'd be nice if we can hit 100 on that one too. But let's not aim too high, so let's just call it for 30 subscribers. So if you guys are interested to see more of me other than just video game, just come swing by Yan aka YS, and you're gonna see vlogs on there. I got a few videos up there. It's a decent channel. It's not major, but it's alright. So hope to see you guys down there. And on this note, be careful, take care of yourself, and I'm gonna see you guys on Monday. Deuces. Or y'all can come along and ride with me over the weekend. That works too. Deuces.